You're about to start an investigative journey into the human body. Think about all the activities your body performs each day. You sleep, eat, maybe play a sport or a musical instrument. Like a machine, your body has to manage many different systems to make it work and to keep you healthy. Let's take a look at all the different systems working together inside this soccer player's body as he kicks the ball. As he approaches the ball, his muscles work hard. While they work, the muscles release heat, causing the body temperature to rise. To compensate, his body sweats to cool down. To complete that kick, his muscles need more oxygen to generate energy. His respiratory rate goes up, so he breathes faster, infusing more oxygen into his blood. To get the oxygen-rich blood to where it needs to go in his body, his strong, muscular heart beats faster and his heart rate increases. The body's pulse, temperature, respiratory rate, and blood pressure are all vital signs that change as our bodies keep everything running smoothly. Goal! But what happens to these vital signs when our body systems aren't running smoothly? For example, what would happen to this soccer player if he hadn't been drinking enough water during practice to stay hydrated? Well, let's take another look. Think back to how his muscles used more oxygen to fuel the swing of his kick. Like before, his respiratory rate increases to increase the levels of oxygen in his blood. But this time, his blood volume, the amount of blood circulating, is lower because he has less water circulating around in his bloodstream. This causes his blood pressure to lower a bit, which means his blood is moving slower through his body. To make up for this, his heart rate increases even more than it normally would, and his respiratory rate also rises to take in more oxygen. While all this happens, he can keep playing and won't know all the ways his body works to keep things going without a hitch. Thankfully, our soccer player knows the importance of staying hydrated and gets a drink of water before his vital signs get too out of whack. You're now going to explore these vital signs and discover how they can be invaluable clues to medical detectives when solving a case.